Two insurance giants, two trusted names, Allstate and Amica Mutual. But when it comes to protecting what matters most, which company truly stands out? On one side, Allstate, renowned for nationwide coverage and famous ads. On the other, Amica Mutual, celebrated for top-notch customer satisfaction and a unique mutual model. Let's skip the industry jargon and dive into what really counts. We'll award points in every important category, so by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the crown, and the winner might just surprise you. Alright, here's how we're gonna tackle this. We'll look at cost and discounts, customer satisfaction, coverage options, claims experience, and availability, plus financial strength. Seriously, by the end, you'll know exactly where each one stands in all the areas that actually matter. First up, cost and discounts. So Allstate honestly is kind of a mixed bag here. There are a bunch of discounts and you can save some cash bundling policies, but premiums can run a bit higher than you might expect. Now, Amica? Oh, and here's something cool. Not only are premiums often a bit lower, but they have these dividend policies. You might even get some money back at the end of the year, plus unique discounts for stuff like paperless billing or loyalty. The only little snag is they're not as big on bundling options as some huge brands, but if you're watching the price tag, Amica is kind of the obvious winner for cost. Next, let's talk customer satisfaction. Allstate makes it super easy to file claims with their app, plus there's 24/7 support, which is great. But you do see mixed reviews, especially when it comes to actually getting your payout in the end. Now Amica, wow, this is where they shine. They've been crushing it in the JD Power rankings. People rave about the way claims are handled, and it just feels a bit more human. Only real downside: fewer local offices, but honestly, if you want to feel taken care of, Amica takes the gold here. For coverage options, Allstate is all about those add-ons. Accident forgiveness, new car replacement, you name it, they've probably got it. Plus, it's available just about everywhere. Downside, all those extras can start bumping the price up quickly. As for Amica, they cover your basics really well, and those dividend policies are back again, but they don't go quite as wild on the specialty add-ons. This time Allstate has the edge, just for sheer choice. Quick tidbit while we're at it, did you know Amica's been doing this since 1907? Over 100 years of insurance experience. That's some serious legacy. Claims experience. With Allstate, you've got a pretty sleek app and super quick roadside help if your car breaks down, which is nice, but actual claims settlement speed, it's a complaint you do hear about. Meanwhile, Amica, and I'm not overstating this, is just kind of known for being decent and fair. You get to talk with a real adjuster, payouts are fast and not a headache, and the process is really transparent. The one knock is their online tech isn't quite as snazzy as the biggest carriers, but it more than makes up for it elsewhere. Amica stands out here. Last up, availability and financial strength. Allstate, no contest, is everywhere. All 50 states, strong A+ rating, you literally don't have to worry if they cover your area. Sometimes customer service can change a bit depending on where you live, but that's pretty normal. Amica is also super strong financially, a mutual company with a big rating, but they aren't available in every single state. So if you want total access coast to coast, Allstate snags it here. If you just look at the scores, Amica really pushes ahead in price, satisfaction, and claims, but Allstate flexes in coverage options and is unbeatable for reach. It's closer than you'd think, though. So here's how I see it. If you need every coverage option and you want a company that's available literally everywhere, Allstate's a safe bet. But if you really want top-notch customer service, awesome value for your money, and want the least stressful claims process ever, you've got to check out Amica. That human touch is hard to beat. So if you're comparing insurance, take the time to review your options carefully, because the right policy is the thing that really brings peace of mind.